Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Side Rental Vlogs. Today the location is different because the weather was very nice and very windy and it was very cloudy. So I thought why not to make a video outside because we all are staying inside our homes and getting frustrated. So today I am thinking of making a video on how to prepare for a job interview in a government setup. Likewise, if you are going for an interview in any government setup, like be in the army or in the Air Force or in the paramilitary forces, basically they ask you different kind of questions, and any kind of government job, whether it's a state government job or ONGC or any kind of steel company, they offer dentists some jobs and they take out jobs every 2 years or 1 year. So few tips I'm gonna give you which is really gonna help you to secure the jobs. Now you must be thinking, everybody has this thought in their mind कि मेरा तो नहीं होगा, I will not get, because 95% of the people think like this. They think that they won't get. So by telling this only, you are removing your chance of getting into any kind of government job. Yes, this is true. What do you think it really happens to you? And according to me, you should never think negative, because if you think negative, the same kind of things will happen to you and you will think, okay, सही सोचा था मैंने. But it's not that. It's not the fact. If you try for a government job with all your heart, you really gonna achieve it someday. Not today, then the other day. So there are a few questions which I would like to tell you ki from where they basically ask the question. See, the persons who are taking the government interview, they also know ki right now you are in crisis and you are working hard to get a job. But do you really think they ask very difficult questions? Not at all. They ask you very basic questions from dentistry. For example, few questions which were asked to me, like they had asked me about when I went to give the Central Reserve Police Force exam in 2014. It was a government job, and to my astonishment, 14 people had taken my interview at the time, and I was sitting in the center and 14 people were sitting around me, and there were 3 IPS officers, and there was one psychiatrist, one nurse, one dentist, one oral surgeon, and many other people were also there. So the first question they asked me was why you want to join the forces. So I answered something at that time I had prepared. Then second question they asked me, like see you, like how psychologically strong you are. So they also asked me like your father is not there and how you gonna manage your family. So this second question they asked me. Third question they asked me some general knowledge question about West Bengal. I don't remember. Then fourth question onward just started asking me about dentistry, about amyloblastoma, about trigeminal neuralgia, about basic things. What are the anti-epileptic drugs? Then they asked me about different kind of local anesthesias, local anesthesia spray, what is the consumption of, how much LAK you can give to a patient, then emergency medicines. So basically, if you are trying for a government job, if you read Dental Pulse, few topics like local anesthesia, emergency drugs, cardiovascular system, so not gonna dig deep into your knowledge, right? They're gonna see your attitude, your knowledge, your confidence. Will you be able to handle the patients in case of any emergency? So these are the things they usually ask. Now the thing is कि दूसरे लोगों को गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिलती है और आपको क्यों नहीं मिलती? Why other people get government job and you don't get it? Because you don't try for it. You have to give your full-fledged, full heart to get into a government job. Now the thing is how to search. So you can apply for government job in various portals like sarkarinokri.com. You can go and often check. Then you can visit the AIMS website of different places like AIMS Bhubaneswar, AIMS Delhi. So they have their own personal website, and in their website they usually give jobs. Suppose you are from Punjab or you're from West Bengal, you're from Odisha, then open your Punjab Service Commission, PSC, or like Odisha Public Service Commission, Punjab Service Commission, West Bengal Service Commission website, the official website. There you can see for vacancies often. Every week take a day off and take 1 hour off and search for the things. Search jobs in various places like railway jobs, dental jobs. Search in Google. Google is the biggest savior. In Facebook there will be various vacancy posts. There you can apply. You can always put your vacancy. There is no shame in putting that you want work. So at the end, you will be only benefited, right? So in sarkarinaukri.com, always some other jobs will be coming out, railways, then ONGC, oil companies, then steel companies, then electrical companies like BHEL. So they offer for their particular setups, like every company is having their own dental setup. At least they will be having 2 to 3 dental seats. Sometimes our jobs also come in the army, ECHC. So at that time you can also apply, and I know few people who had joined ECHC and they had got approximately in 2015 to 16 they had got approximately 60,000 salary in Odisha. So that is not a difficult thing, you can get. And see, initially you will not get any kind of permanent job, but they will give you a contractual one starting mein. Based on contractual, based on your performance, if any vacancy, permanent vacancy comes out, then you will be the first preference. Regarding questions, you have to know basic things. Okay, basically it is more basic science oriented what questions they'll ask you. Clinical prosthodontics, crown and bridge and chamfer line, they won't ask you viva. They just gonna overall judge you, how much is your knowledge. You don't have to be too much knowledgeable for getting a job. You have to have the right attitude, right confidence. That is the only thing they check in you. Plus they also see whether you can handle any kind of emergencies, whether you're going to give intramuscular injection. They will ask you pharmacology, drug dosages. So the basic things. Suppose you are joined the Central Reserve Police Force, right? You won't believe that in the initial phases, like in the entire month, you'll be doing around some 3-4 RCTs and some medicines and refer the patient to a higher center. So you have to be cordial. And went for the interview. At that time, everybody was wearing suit, but I was only wearing a shirt and trouser. So always, even if you don't have a suit, just wear a tie, shirt and trouser if you're going for the army or paramilitary forces interview, and that will really give a boost your confidence first of all. And always have good clothes prepared for the interview. Just whenever you're going for the interview, just 2 days or 3 days prior, go to that place. If you're not from that place, the previous day you can go and see where your place of interview is, hire a taxi or auto, and don't, on the day of interview, don't keep on searching where is that place, where is that place. You should not be like that, right? So you will be anxious, and you have to keep your mind cool while giving the interview and all. So this is the thing, this is the video was all about. And I really hope कि जल्दी से जल्दी this dentistry situation is gonna get over, and we all have to be positive. That is the only thing. You all have to think that I will get a job, I will stand on my feet at any cost, whatever be the situation. So thank you, and love you all. Please do subscribe to this channel if you like this video, and you can join me as a channel member as well. Take care. Love you. Bye.